Salutations, Junior Pearls! Get ready for an amazing adventure where you will discover the wonderful worlds of farm animals, sea animals, and even some fascinating bugs, all in the mud. This fun journey lets you explore, learn, and play with different kinds of creatures, all while getting a little messy. In this adventure, you will meet friendly farm animals like horse. You will learn how cows love to roll in the mud to stay cool. Plunge into the fun. The delicate dance of butterflies. Butterflies come in a various sizes. The wingspan can range from as small as half an inch to as large as 12 inches. Some butterfly species like the monarch butterfly nature's little heroes ladybug. Ladybugs are often considered symbols of good luck and are popular in many cultures. In some regions, it is believed that the number of spots on a ladybug's back can predict the number of months of good weather or good luck. Meet the stag beetle up close. Stag beetles are among the largest beetles in the world. Some species can reach lengths of up to 4 inches. The lifespan of stag beetles is relatively short. Adults usually live for a few weeks to a few months, with most of their life spent. The evolution of the turtles. Turtles are known for their protective shells, which are made of two parts, the carapace and the plastron. This shell is part of their skeleton, providing protection from predators. Turtles lay eggs on land, and the temperature of the nest can determine the sex of the hatchlings. The behavior of centipede. There are approximately 3,000 known species of centipedes, and they are found on all continents except Antarctica. Centipedes typically prefer moist environments such as under rocks, leaf litter, or in soil. Centipedes have elongated, segmented bodies. Silent hunters, the scorpion. Scorpions can be territorial and may engage in aggressive behavior, especially during encounters with other scorpions or potential threats. Scorpions have a unique method of reproduction called promenade adjuvex or maternal burden. Nature's majestic creature seahorse. There are about 46 known species of seahorses. Seahorses have a horse-like head, a curled, prehensile tail, a vertical posture, and a body covered in bony plates. Seahorses are found in shallow tropical and temperate waters around the world. Discovering the enigmatic black bee. This bee is almost entirely black with a very dark, almost black abdomen. European dark bees were historically common in North Europe. They are hardy bees, well adapted to colder climates, but they have been largely replaced by other honeybees. Hidden world of stingray. Stingrays play an important role in marine ecosystems as both predators and prey. They help control populations of small fish and invertebrates, and they serve as food for larger predators such as sharks. Stingrays inhabit a wide range of habitats. Witnessing the wonder of dolphins. Dolphins are among the most intelligent animals on earth. They demonstrate problem-solving abilities, self-awareness, and even exhibit cultural behaviors within their pods. Dolphins are incredibly agile swimmers and are known for their acrobatic displays, including leaps. The evolution of octopuses. Octopuses are highly intelligent. They can solve puzzles, open jars, and even escape from enclosures. After mating, female octopuses lay thousands of eggs and then die shortly after the eggs hatch. The males usually die soon after mating as well. The fascinating realm of ants. Ants are known for their impressive navigation abilities. They can use visual cues, landmarks, and the sun's position to find their way back to the colony. Some ant species engage in agriculture. Leafcutter ants, for example, cut leaves. Ants are omnivores. The secret lives of penguins. Penguin parenting involves shared responsibilities. For instance, in emperor penguins, males incubate the eggs on their feet while females hunt for food. Penguins primarily feed on fish, squid, and krill. Their diet can vary depending on their species and the availability of prey in their environment. Decoding the spider behavior. Most spiders are solitary creatures, but there are exceptions. Social spiders, such as some species of orb-weavers, live in colonies and share duties like capturing prey. The lifespan of a spider varies widely among species. Journey across the camel chronicles. Contrary to popular belief, a camel's hump is not filled with water. Instead, it stores fat, which can be converted into energy and water when needed. The hump shrinks and becomes flaccid as the camel uses up its fat stores. There are two main species of camels, the dromedary and the Bactrian. Encountering the whale shark. Whale sharks are generally solitary creatures, but may gather in large numbers in areas with abundant food sources. They are known to undertake long-distance migrations, although the full extent of their migration patterns is not yet fully understood. Types of teeth. A shark tail. There are over 500 species of sharks, ranging from the tiny dwarf lantern shark, which is only about 7 inches long, to the massive whale shark, which can reach lengths of over 40 feet. Sharks have been around for a long time, with fossil evidence suggesting they have been swimming in the earth. Sharks are often referred to as apex predators. Capturing the essence of beluga whale. While the exact lifespan of beluga whales is not well known, scientists estimate that they can live up to 80 to 90 years. Beluga whales are typically solitary animals or found in small groups. However, during the breeding season, they may gather in large numbers. Adult beluga whales can reach lengths of up to 100 feet. Discovering the charm of clownfish. Clownfish have a mutualistic relationship with sea anemones. They live among the venomous tentacles of anemones, which protect them from predators. In return, clownfish provide the anemones with nutrients through their waste and help keep them clean by removing debris. Clownfish are immune to the stings of sea anemones. They have a special mucus layer on their skin that protects them from the anemone's venom. The timeless beauty of horse. Throughout history, horses have played a critical role in human civilization, serving as transportation in agriculture and in various forms of labor. Equine therapy, also known as horse therapy, has been recognized for its therapeutic benefits in addressing various physical, emotional, and psychological issues in humans. A horse's hooves are made of keratin, the same protein found in human hair and nails. Thank you for your time and engagement to watching impressive adventures with farm animals, sea animals, and bugs in the mud episode. Subscribe now for this adventure is all about embracing the mud and discovering the exciting lives of farm animals, sea creatures, and bugs. So grab your boots, get ready to get dirty, and start exploring the muddy world of animals and bugs. Don't miss out on our future muddy adventures. Bye bye, young adventurers!